this is Ashwini. You're watching the Ashwini Lodava channel. In this video, I'm going to share you two kids wear from First Cry and one from my kurta palazzo set from Meesho. Okay, so before moving to my main video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share my channel. Okay, so this is the first time I'm showing you rather than Amazon products. I'm going to use these I'm going to show in this video rather than Amazon products. I'm going to show you today First Cry product and also the Meesho products. Okay, so let's move on to the main video. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share my channel. Okay, let's move on to the main video. So today I'm going to show you two First Cry products from First Cry only, and these two are of kids wear. These two are of I bought it from First Cry. So this is for a girl, 2 to 3 year old girl. I bought this kind of a frock. Okay, so this kind of a sleeves, and another one is this kind of a white frock. Okay, both are frock only. So let's begin to the first frock. This is the first frock. It look like this. The color of this one is a brown color or purple in color, and the brand of this frock is Bella Moda brand, and the age, it is of 2 to 3 year old girl. Frock is for 2 to 3 year old. There is a size also present in this frock. 2 to 4 to 5 years, up to 5 years, this kind of a frock is available in a stock. Okay, in a First Cry. So in a First Cries, whoever you are, from little safety pin to whatever you require for your toddler, from younger to toddler, whatever you require for a little from a safety pin to bigger thing, what you require for your toddlers, no? So those all available in a First Cry. So go through the First Cry. It's a very best online shopping. This is the first time I'm showing you this kind of a First Cry shopping products. So mine, what the thing is, it's about First Cry, I give you a thumbs up because it's a very affordable price they give a product to reaches the product to you. Okay, so this is what about the thing. So let's start about the frock. So my girl is 2 to 3 years old girl, and the brand of this one is a Bella Moda brand, and the color of this one is a purple in color, and the fabric is of cotton only. If your girl is a very sensitive for other girl Georgette type of a material or other hard one and very heavy worked material, so better you choose this kind of a cotton materials. It's very soft, easy to wear, easy to wash, and very comfortable for a baby. So my girl is 2 to 3 year old, so she's very happy with this kind of a fabric. So that's why I bought this kind of a fabrics. Okay, so on the front of this, so this is what the cloth on the front of this one. So this is what for the show purpose. So these are the like a hangy like of a sleeves. It hang on a shoulder like this, and it give a flare like this. Okay, on the front of this one, on a chest, this kind of a hand worked embroidery is there on a shoulder. It comes like this. Okay, hangy like of sleeves with this one, and hand worked embroidery work is there, multicolored hand work embroidery work is there. And the below of this this frock, in the below of this frock, this kind of embroidery work is there, same embroidery works, and this there is a plain thing, no, not at all they work anything here. So this is what the thing about this fabric. Very good fabric, easy to wear, easy to wash, and the babies are very comfortable in this cloth. So better you choose these kind of clothes instead of that very heavy work or long frock and these things. So this is what the thing. And the MRP price of this one is a 2017, but on sale and whatever that Humpty Dumpty sale, so it reaches to me 535. So it's a better deal. You go through Humpty Dumpty sale, it's a very good deal. So go through that one in a First Cry. In a very affordable price, it reaches to your home. So that's why I choose First Cry in the baby shopping. Okay, baby online shopping, I choose First Cry. Okay, so this is what the things. The MRP price is 2017, but it reaches to me 235 or 295, something like this. It reaches to me. So this is what the thing. About the first one, I will show you a screenshot of my baby. It looks fabulous on my baby. Okay, so this is what the thing. So my second one is this one. white color, and on that this color, white color heart shape, black color heart shape dot thing all over the frock. Very nice one, very nice thing. So this is what the second frock. So it is a frock like, but they gave a flares like this. Okay, 1 2 3 flary like the Rafael saree, no, same like that is they given. So these are the flares, 2 3 layers or flares, whatever you're gonna call. These are the layers. If your baby is a little fatty in if a 2 to 3 year old girl, if little fatty, about kgs in kgs in about if the girl is 12 to 14 kgs, so this suits her very best. Okay, so mine girl is 2 to 3 year old and it suits her very well. Here the plates on just this kind of V-shaped whatever the V-shaped neck is there. Only this is a sleeveless one, this is the mini sleeve. Okay, so this is the sleeve, and at the bottom, at the chest, they gave a elastic. They gave a elastic. So like this, they gave a elastic. If your baby is of 2 to 3 year old and having the kgs of 12 to 14 kg, suits are very well. Okay, so these are the length. If not, if 2 to 3 year old, if it is not suits well, so you just tie like this. Okay, just tie like this and wear. It also look very nice to her. Okay, so this is the things, and this is also from the brand. I will tell you afterwards. So, and the MRP price of this one is 2,000, but it reaches to me at 999 or 935. So brand I will tell you later. MRP price of this one is 2,000 something like that, but it reaches to me at 935. It's very nice product. In a first cry, if you fell in love with the products, whatever the products, when you go on choosing the products one by one, you fell in love with the first cry. So that's why I go with today. Nowadays I'm going with the first cry for the baby shopping. Okay, so this is about the two things. So these are for my babies. It looks very nice on her, and color wise and also the fabric wise. The fabric of this one is a cotton only, semi cotton, not fully cotton. So a little georgette and semi cotton is there. So that's how it suits her very well. Okay, so this is about the things. That's it for today's video about first cry session. So this is about the thing. If you want to purchase anything from first cry, please go through the first cry session. Okay, so this is about things. And the next one, my mind kurta. This is from Meesho. So nowadays Meesho products are very famous because of all lady, whatever who are the ladies in a lockdown, everyone going to marketing session in a business. So this is what my kurta. Okay, white color kurta. On that they were printed this white color, whatever the printed design, like white printed design, white color kurta. The fabric is of cotton only, and that on that they were printed a white color printed design is there. So the sleeves are of 3/4 sleeves, and front also, back also same design is there. No any difference between front and back. Okay, so on neck this kind of a neck is look like this, half circle, and in the front these kind of buttons were attached. So this is only for the show purpose. Not only these are not openable, these are only for the show purpose. Okay, and all over the kurta this kind of red color dot design is there. This is also for the show purpose. After wash how it looked like I don't know. So this is what the thing. Fabric is of cotton, and mine size is yes size, but I purchased M size. So let's see how it look like, because of I like this kurta plazo set very much, so that's why I bought M size. S size is not available in this kurta plazo set, so that's why I bought M size. So let's see how it look on me after wearing. If it loses me, I will just gonna alter it from tailor. Okay, so this is what about the kurta. It reaches to the knee level. Okay, below the knee level. So, and the sleeves are of 3/4, and front and back also the same design is there. So that's why. So this is a little transparent. You have to wear inner in the kurta. Okay, So that's it for the kurta, and you fell in love with this kind of a kurta by seeing this kind of a plazo. Very nice plazo. So the plazo is a red color. On that red color plazo, they printed a gold color printed design. So very nice. You can see when you hanging like this, no, it looks very nice. So after wearing also it looks very nice, but it is a M size. I'm gonna alter this one as it loses to me very loses because of M size. So I'm gonna alter this also, so it looks very nice. So here on the plazos there is no any pockets were available. So this is for the thing. Again you fell in love with this kurta because by seeing this dupatta, very nice dupatta, very long dupatta. See, red color dupatta, on that this color, this type of printed design. So flower, see, just see the design, flower design, printed gold color printed flower design. On that the border, all over the border, this kind of a chunky work, whatever the design, border is designed attached here. So for kurta, this dupatta gives a charge chance to this kurta. Okay, so this is a very elegant dupatta. You may can pair this dupatta to other kurta plazo set also. So this is for the kurta. The MRP price of this one is 1,500 like this, but it reaches to me 935. So the fabric is cotton. Nowadays cotton kurta plazo sets are very in a market. It is a very demanded fabric, so that I bought cotton fabric. So that's it about the thing. Thanks for watching my video, and please do watch all kind of videos. So that's it about today's video. Let's see how it looks on me. As it is a M size, it loses me little, so that I wanna alter it by I wanna alter by my tailor. So that's why today's video. So thank you for watching my video. I wanna add the screenshot of those two kids wear and also this also. So this is what the thing. Thanks for watching my video. Do watch all kind of videos, and please your one like, one share and one subscription, it motivate me to do more useful videos. So thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.